So we've had a request to see the Slk On Slk wheels. So this is the front. What are we on the front of these? And the tyres are 205/55 R16, so these are 16-inch wheels. And that is what one of these looks like with 16-inch wheels on. Not my style personally, I prefer something with slightly more character, but they did actually make these with a 15-inch version of these wheels. But they don't look awful on it. On the side, that's the fitment of them. So they sit well within the arches. So there's no issues with offset at all. Wouldn't be with the R170 based on the 202. And I can't believe nobody likes this, because these are an amazing car, and this is now my third one, and quite frankly they are built better than these, because these are built cheap, and boy can you tell. So much the mechanics of them, it's more the interior. It's not very Mercedes like in there. The dashboard feels cheap and loose, the door cards fall apart. Most of the times when you buy a used one the roof doesn't work, but most of the time that's a switch. But yeah, I mean these are a much nicer car, much nicer to drive. But yeah, that's basically just going to be my weekend toy. Yeah, there will be more work done to this as and when I've got time to do it. Obviously the problems with the head lifting will eventually sort that, but at the present time I haven't the time to. I've got a lot of other things to get on with, so yeah, but it will be on the road eventually, and hopefully it'll be at some shows. I don't know which ones, but we will cure the problems. But I'm thinking that I'm going to put a 722.3 hydraulic box in it, to lose faith in OVgear, because communication is currently stalled. Don't really know why, but yeah, we'll sort something out for this.